If you want to enable or disable optimized charging on a Motorola Edge 70, what you need to do is you need to go to Settings. Next, in Settings, scroll down a little bit in order to find the battery option, and then in here we can find the, for example, the adaptive battery, which you can of course use, but we can also go to battery protection in order to find the smart schedule or manual schedule, which of course we can also personalize in order to choose to, for example, set the charging limit only for specific hours. So for example, only at night the limit will be working, it will be valid. So you can choose one of these two options, of course. There's also the smart schedule, which uses AI to recognize the charging pattern and optimize the battery health based on that. And I believe that's pretty much it. Over here in battery info, I don't think there is something. So yeah, we have these two options, the adaptive battery and the battery protection. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.